Hey everyone, the Dyson PencilWash represents a fascinating evolution in Dyson's pursuit of ultra-slim cleaning technology. Building on the design language introduced with the PencilVac, which the company boldly described as the world's thinnest vacuum cleaner, the PencilWash shifts focus from dry debris to wet floor cleaning. Instead of simply refining the vacuum formula, Dyson has reimagined the slim format as a lightweight hard floor washer designed specifically for tackling spills, sticky residues, and everyday grime on sealed surfaces. At first glance, the PencilWash closely resembles its predecessor. The signature narrow handle houses the motor, battery, and core electronics, preserving that minimalist, almost futuristic aesthetic Dyson has been leaning into. However, the internal architecture differs significantly. This redesign makes clear that the PencilWash is purpose-built for wet cleaning, not an all-in-one compromise. The cleaning head is where most of the innovation lies. Instead of multiple rotating cones like those found on the PencilVac, the PencilWash relies on a single, high-density microfiber roller brush. This roller continuously receives a controlled stream of clean water mixed with a low-foaming cleaning solution. The pressurized delivery system ensures the roller remains evenly saturated without over-soaking the floor. In real-world use, this system feels methodical and controlled. The brush rotation provides gentle agitation that is sufficient for everyday stains and dried spills. While it may not replace heavy-duty scrubbing machines for deeply embedded grime, it is more than capable of handling kitchen splashes, pet paw prints, and routine maintenance cleaning. Dyson claims that any residual moisture left behind evaporates quickly, and in practice, the floors are left slightly damp rather than wet. Weighing 4.9 pounds, or about 2.2 kilograms, the PencilWash is slightly heavier than the 4-pound PencilVac, but remains impressively light compared to most dedicated floor scrubbers. The weight distribution is balanced, with the bulk of the mass concentrated low in the cleaning head. This makes maneuvering feel stable and controlled rather than top-heavy. The handle reclines almost completely flat, allowing users to reach under couches, beds, and low cabinets without awkward angles or excessive bending. Battery performance is another strong point. On a full charge, the PencilWash delivers over 30 minutes of runtime. Larger households may require a second battery, which Dyson offers as an optional add-on. The swappable battery attaches to the end of the handle, extending usage time without forcing users to wait for a recharge. Perhaps the most surprising aspect is the pricing strategy. At $349, the PencilWash comes in significantly lower than the $600 PencilVac configuration, equipped with its 4 rotating cone brush heads. Given Dyson's reputation for premium pricing, the PencilWash feels comparatively accessible. It delivers a focused feature set at a more attainable cost, which may attract consumers who want Dyson engineering but do not necessarily need a full vacuum system. Overall, the Dyson PencilWash succeeds by doing one thing well rather than attempting to be everything at once. Instead, it offers a sleek, lightweight, and thoughtfully engineered solution for wet cleaning hard floors. Its slim design, controlled water system, and efficient stain removal make it particularly appealing for modern homes with sealed surfaces and limited storage space. Dyson's approach here is less about adding complexity and more about refining the experience of floor washing into something compact, efficient, and distinctly modern. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.